Welcome to this tutorial on Leonardo AI, the fantastic AI art platform that is revolutionizing the world of art. Whether you're an artist or an art enthusiast, Leonardo AI has something for everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to use this platform to create amazing AI-generated art that will leave you and your audience amazed. To sign up for early bird access to Leonardo AI, you can visit their website at www.leonardo.ai and follow the instructions provided. Early bird access may provide users with benefits such as discounts and early access to new features. After getting early bird access to Leonardo AI, you can click on the Launch App button. Note that you will need to be whitelisted to be able to sign in. After that, they will redirect you to the main dashboard of Leonardo AI. On the main dashboard, you can see featured models, recent creations, and community feeds. On a free account of Leonardo AI, they will give you 150 tokens for daily use. Token auto reset after 15 hours, meaning you can daily use 150 tokens for free to generate your own AI art. To generate your own AI art, you need good prompts. As a beginner, if you don't know about prompts, a prompt consists of 1 to 3 sentences raising an issue or asking a question that you will have to respond to in an essay. Open any image from the community feed and click on Copy Prompt on the left-hand side of the menu. You will find an option labeled AI Image Generation. Click on this option to access the tools and features related to generating AI-generated images on Leonardo AI. Now paste your copied prompt here and choose an AI model like Leonardo Diffusion, Leonardo Creative, or Leonardo's signature Stable Diffusion. After selecting the model, click on the Generate button. Leonardo AI is capable of generating 4 distinct types of images. You can modify the prompt or input to generate different variations of AI-generated images using the platform's advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities. One of the most impressive features of Leonardo AI is its ability to upscale images, remove backgrounds, and enhance image quality for a smoother, high-definition look. With Leonardo AI, you can take your images to the next level with just a few clicks. There is a new version of our Prompt Magic tool called Prompt Magic V2, which uses an experimental render pipeline that may improve adherence to prompts. For the time being, there is no multiplier on the token cost. However, starting in mid-April, there will be a 2x multiplier on the token cost due to higher GPU overheads. Let's move to the next amazing feature called Prompt Generator. This tool will allow you to come up with more complex prompt ideas from a simple prompt. For example, if you type in cute white girl and click idiot, it will come up with a number of more complex concepts which include a cute white girl. And that's how Leonardo AI is revolutionizing the way we approach artificial intelligence, making it more accessible and efficient than ever before. Or need Midjourney alternatives, you cheek the I button. Go to the playlist and enjoy. Thanks for watching.